Hi there, students. Prolific. Prolific is an adjective which means produces a lot of. We can talk about a plant or an animal or a person. So a plant that is prolific produces lots of fruit, lots of seeds, lots of leaves. An animal that is prolific has lots of babies or lays lots and lots of eggs. A person who is prolific maybe has lots of babies or does lots and lots of work and produces lots of whatever they do. We can also use prolific in general just to mean present in large numbers. There were a prolific number of people at the meeting. He eats a prolific amount of food, amazingly large, a lot of. Okay, so prolific, producing a large amount, or just a large amount in itself. So there are a prolific number of videos in my channel. You have the word to proliferate as a verb, to grow and grow, to become more and more in number. The weeds in my garden are proliferating. They're becoming more and more very rapidly. I didn't look up the origin of this one, but I'm pretty certain it's Greek or Latin, but maybe you could comment on that for me. So, prolific, huge amounts, present in huge amounts, producing lots of. I would also say prolific, it's neutral in formality. You can use it informally and you can use it very formally. I think I might give it a 5.5 in formality. He drinks a prolific amount of beer. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prolific.